Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the correct and accurate use of word for, in and as. So let's get started. Before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. First example, she works blank Google. Now for Google, in Google, as Google. Listen guys, the word for is used with names and the word in is used for place and the word as is used for job. Now you are thinking how does it work, so let's get started. She works blank Google. Google is a name and for name we use the word for. She works for Google. He works blank a bank. For a bank, in a bank, as a bank. Now bank is the name of a place and for place we use the word in. I work blank a teacher. I work blank a teacher. For a teacher, in a teacher, as a teacher. Now teacher is a sort of job. Teacher is a job and for for job is we use the word as. Mary has worked blank Tesla. Mary has worked for Tesla, in Tesla, as Tesla. Listen guys, Tesla is the name, right? And for names we use the word for. Very good. Mary has worked for Tesla. My sister worked blank New Year. My sister worked blank New Year. For New Year, in New Year, as New Year. As we all know, New Year is the name of a place and for place we use the word in. Very good. My brother works blank a doctor. Not doctor, same like teacher. Doctor is also a profession. Doctor is also a name of a job. I mean, doctor is a profession. And for job, we use the word as. My brother works as a doctor. I work blank Mr. Smith. I work blank Mr. Smith. Now, Mr. Smith is a name. So for name, we use the word for. I work for Mr. Smith. Well, I do not work for Mr. Smith. I work for myself. I worked from 2005 to 2009 blank Paris. Paris, again a name of a place. So we will write the word in. I worked blank fashion blank manager. Now we have two blanks here. One is for fashion and another is for manager. Now this is your turn. Tell me the correct answer in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.